So there are 3 applicants and 3 affidavits in rejoinder. Which particular one?
The one of 31st March.
In respect of?
Which one do you have?
I told you there are 3 affidavits in rejoinder.
The third response to the third respondent. Third respondent is affidavit in different. And the same affidavit has expressed real. Is it eminent or imminent? Which one?
Imminent.
Yes?
Imminent.
Eminent.
Imminent.
But I see E there.
Take it as a typo.
So you wish to correct it as well?
Imminent. I've corrected this.
Do you know the procedure of correcting with the affidavits? Do you know the procedure?
Yes, I know, with leave of
You're a
court.
lawyer.
With leave of court.
Yeah, you saw to leave?
My lord, with leave of court, we seek.
No, please. We really wanted to understand whether you say eminent threats.
It is imminent.
That you will have to correct it. But that's not the issue for me. So you are saying...
Actually, the catchword is threat.
You mean eminent is superfluous?
The catchword is threat.
Are you suggesting the word you attached there, you put there, is superfluous?
The catchword is threat.
So this eminent means nothing?
Not really.
Anyway, whether I or E, how imminent are they? How imminent are those threats?
They are actual threats.
They are actual threats.
Yes.
Threats to in which form? In which form are they?
Electronic.
Yes?
Electronic.
In which form are the threats?
Electronic.
Electronic.
Yes. My lord, this is a question that I already answered several times.
So you have records of those threats in electronic form?
Yes.
In your possession?
No, not here. But we have them.
You have them?
Yes.
My lord, we wish to have a look at those records of the threats which are in electronic form. Who recorded them?
You see, you want to push me into disclosing information that was supposed to be concealed.
Who captured those records of
The
the threats?
threats were sent to the witnesses.
No, I am saying who recorded them?
I don't understand what you're asking.
Okay. Who downloaded those threats?
Like, what do you mean, who downloaded?
So how are they stored? How are those records stored?
We have a report, I've told you.
So in which form are they stored? Are they...
For us, we are dealing with papers.
Or they are not in soft form?
No, it is a report. We're dealing with a report.
Okay, fine. This is what I'm asking. If you say they were downloaded, transcribed, who did that?
From a forensic lab, the forensic expert did it.
Do you mind, do you have the particulars?
I can't disclose, my lord.
Why?
You see, my lord, my senior is either doing it deliberately or he does not want to understand the nature of the application. That is information that we are seeking to conceal for now.
No. You are seeking to conceal 6 witnesses. The particulars of 6 witnesses, that is the nature of the application.
How sure are you is one of them? He could be one of them.
Can you confirm that he's one of them?
My lord, I don't want to commit myself right now because...
Is he one of them or is he
my lord,
one of them?
My lord, I'm being pushed to the wall to reveal information. I can't reveal.
Yes, and I told that.
My lord, the council hunger is being hostile to me. Much obliged. I cannot reveal, sir.
You cannot reveal the particulars of the person who transcribed those records. But, yes, but now the question is, can you at least reveal the form of the exhibits you are talking about? I mean, can you reveal whether he is one of them or not? He or she is one of the witnesses you are seeking to protect or not?
My lord, I pray not to reveal that information.
So you are not revealing that as well?
No.
So beyond the 6 statements the 5 statements you gave us, are there other witnesses you are seeking to protect under this application?
As and when the circumstances...
Under this application?
Sorry?
Under this application, are there other witnesses under this application, save for those whose statements you supplied to us?
But my lord, why should we be so hypothetical, speculative? Why don't we concentrate on matters that this application is seeking to protect how many witnesses?
6 for now.
It's a simple question.
And a simple answer.
What is the answer?
6.
6. Okay. Now, Frank Chihede, this is paragraph 7, is an accomplice to the respondents, and he has expressed real and imminent threats or imminent threats to the prosecution witnesses. Do you stand by that affirmation?
Yes.
So he has issued the threats to all the 6 witnesses.
Yes.
Yes? I take you now to paragraph 9 of your affidavit in support. Paragraph 8. Go to paragraph 8. The affidavit in support. Can you read it out?
The investigation revealed that Frank Kyomuhendo, who is an accomplice to the respondents, threatened to harm one of the witnesses in this matter.
One of the witnesses in this matter. Do you still stand by your earlier statement that he threatened all the witnesses, or you would wish to change?
My lord, within the threats to the witness, there were threats to other witnesses. That is what I meant.
So what do you mean? One of the witnesses or all the witnesses?
He sent the threat to one witness, but threatening to harm the 6 witnesses. That is the rationale of identifying the 6 witnesses.
And this time it's Chihehe.
He's Chihehe.
And in paragraph 7 is Chihehe.
It is Chihehe, yes. Frank.
Chihehe Frank or Chihehe? Is he Chihehe or Chihehe? Which is which?
But I have
Or both?
I have told you, and you're still insisting on that.
Listen, which one is the actual name?
Chihehe, Frank.
And Chihehe?
I
In paragraph
told
7?
you it's a typo.
Do you know Chihehe? Do you know him? Do you know him?
But my lord, what make the witness has said the person called Chihehe, and he said it was a typo error. I have that. But the question is, you know Chihehe, you see me and said it's a typo error.
My lord, we have 2 names here. My lord, the question relates to the actual name. He's talking about Chihehe and Chihehe in 2 different affidavits. So which one is correct? And if he insists that
Let him correct.
My lord, guys,
Actually, is
Chihehe, Frank.
and I am asking a question, how sure are you that is Chihehe and not Chihehe? How sure are you?
But I've clarified for you, Mr. Lukwago.
How sure are you that is called Chihehe, not Chihehe?
He's
Do you
called,
know him?
He's called Chihehe,
How sure are you?
according to the report.
Exactly. Report by who?
The forensic expert.
Forensic expert. Who is that, the forensic expert?
This question has been already put to this witness and he has answered it. He said he is not at liberty to reveal. My lord, why are we going in circles?
My lord, there is a reason and the council knows. The council knows.
He doesn't know or he doesn't know.
My lord, they want to take me back to the issue I raised earlier. You came here to testify as an expert, delegate. And you know it's mandatory in an affidavit to disclose the source of information. Is it correct? Is it the position of the law that it's mandatory for you to disclose the source of the information?
But I have disclosed.
Do you know or not?
I know.
It's mandatory.
Yes.
And you still insist you are going to defy a command of the law that you should disclose the source of information.
My lord, those are legal issues that we should be sorting in a submission.
You see, you are an expert.
Did I tell you so?
Oh, you are not.
An expert of what?
Of law.
Which law? But my lord, these are issues.
Answer the questions that are put to you, and report the answer.
So, my lord, I am putting this question for the last time. You have confirmed it's a command of the law for you to disclose the source of your information in an affidavit. You still insist, as a legal expert, that you are going to defy that command?
My lord, that is something that came to my knowledge by virtue of the fact that I perused the file, the police file. It came to my knowledge by virtue of the fact that I perused the file, the police file.
I am not asking you to explain how you came to know. Don't pose your own questions.
And I'm telling you, Mr. Lukwago.
Listen to my question.
Listen.
Look, please, listen to my
I'm
question.
telling you that,
My lord, I beg.
I am reporting the answers, and I have time. Say you don't know, you know what is what.
my lord, that is information that is within my knowledge.
I have that.
Yes. And my lord, this is a question that I'm answering now for the 10th time.
Wait for another question.
My Lord, again, I want to insist on this question.
Kind of repeat the question.
Yes. You said the particulars of the forensic expert who transcribed these particular threats is on record. And that's where you got the information from. And you are not ready to disclose the particulars of that particular forensic expert.
Yes.
And I've told you, listen, it's a command of the law for you to disclose the source of the information. And you are here insisting you're not going to disclose.
I said that.
My question now, are you insisting in your defiance against the command of the law?
My Lord, that is information that is within my knowledge.
I will leave it at that. So, we are talking of these threats by Chigehead or Chigehead, that much. And you are talking of Chigehead being an accomplice. From the report you are talking about, is there any other accomplice who issued out threats? Yes
No.
or no? No?
No.
And can you also confirm that the accused persons before court now have not issued any threats to any of the witnesses? Can you confirm?
I don't know.
My Lord, it is our duty.
I don't know.
Just a minute.
Why doesn't he return?
No, let me put my thing. I am an office of court and senior. Okay, but what is let me raise my point. Mr. Bilfo. No, no, they pray that you sit down and raise my point. You have to intimidate. My Lord, it is our duty as prosecutors and a party to these proceedings to ensure that our witness is protected. The witness is protected by. Absolutely. And also to protect him from questions that are geared towards intimidating him, belittling him.
What has the capacity and ability to assess the question to answer or not to answer?
Let me raise this, my Lord, for the last time again. When Counsel LUKWAGO was cross-examining last time before this matter was adjourned, these are the same questions he put to the witness.
But the counsel state,
Yes, my Lord.
leave court to assess. Leave it to court, whether they are repetitive or not. I get it. Let court also judge. I think your report that they are repetitive. Also blood.
Just for practical purposes and for other purposes, we want to confirm have the accused persons raised any witnesses
Through Chigehead.
directly.
Through Chigehead.
When was that?
I don't have the report with me.
When did you come to know of those threats yourself?
When the report was available.
When was that? When did you get the report?
I'm not the one who received the
When
report.
did you get
When
the report yourself?
when I perused the file
When?
this year.
When?
My Lord, I can't remember exactly when I perused it, but it is this year.
Which month?
I can't recall.
Who gave it to you?
Mr. LUKWAGO, I'm a prosecutor.
Who gave you the file?
My supervisor.
Oh, the supervisor. The witnesses report these threats for action for
Yes.
where?
It should be either police or crime intelligence, and it was the basis of imaging the
I'm
other
not so
case.
sure.
I can't recall exactly, but of course crime intelligence
You
is part
don't
of...
know, you say you don't know.
Crime intelligence is part of police, CID is part of police. To
So
police.
where were they reported?
To police. I can't recall where exactly.
Where exactly? Have any arrests been effected in connection with those threats?
Not yet. Maybe if they've been affected, an arrest has been effected now, but I'm not sure.
And the file was opened up at police for those threats?
I can't recall. I can't tell.
You are not sure? You cannot tell. Are the witnesses in hiding? Or they are continuing?
I can't answer that question.
Are they in hiding or they are continuing?
I cannot answer that question. Why do you want to know what they are doing?
Why do they insist in answers?
My Lord.
In relation where the witnesses are. And that's why we are here.
I am not saying the place where they are. Are they doing their normal business? I am not asking for.
Do you want to hunt? Do you want to hunt them down?
My Lord, I think it's
I
a
have
fair question.
reported has refused to answer, counsel. So we could take notice to say,
He has refused to answer.
yes. And
Were these threats directed at particular individuals or to a general nature? You are not the victims. Were they specifically directed to individuals or to a general
We shall
nature?
not, my lord, we shall not relent on coming up, my lord, standing up. These questions are repetitive and they are becoming monotonous.
Okay, let me be direct now.
My Lord, if I may be of help, if Mr. Besigye feels he is better equipped than the witness, perhaps he could take the legal witness stand himself. With the only to have to cross-examine him. Because he is not letting cross-examination go on. This is not a lay witness. This is a lawyer, a well-trained lawyer. And there's absolutely no reason why we won't keep on cutting.
directed that let us continue the question.
We'll be happy to, I particularly would be happy to cross-examine Mr. Besigye.
Let me put it differently. Since you are saying it's being repeated, or we are being repeated, are all your witnesses at risk? Or they are those who are safe?
My Lord, for now, we are seeking to protect 6 witnesses. As of the time we filed this application, the 4 witnesses were not yet
I can simplify it for you. As we speak today, are there witnesses who are not at all threatened?
You can drive your point better without raising your voice. I beg your pardon.
You feel intimidated? You feel intimidated?
You cannot intimidate me, but raising your voice is rude and uncourteous.
Mr. Kyomuhendo, with utmost courtesy are all your witnesses at risk, sir?
I have told, my lord, I have already answered that question.
Why can't you let me tell me that and then record that?
As of the time we filed this application,
I'm talking as of now.
I can't tell if the 4 are also at risk. As of now. You know, circumstances change.
Now, my lord, I would like now to be specific, and I ask him to directly answer my questions. From the disclosures, you've disclosed Andrew Wilson, A.K. Orlando, to us. His statement is here. Is he at risk? You've disclosed him as your principal witness. Is he at risk?
And I have told you, as of now, I can't tell.
Can you wait? Let the witnesses come and testify. You have the names. I am not here to report the evidence of those witnesses disclosed to you. So can you
And my lord,
but why are you putting court? Proceed with your cross-examination, but don't reveal these witnesses here until they come to testify.
My lord, I'm making reference to paragraph 7 of his affidavit in Join. He is saying all the witnesses were threatened.
What I'm saying, we must leave the name of witnesses until they come to court to testify. Now, are you trying to say here we are here for their protection in respect of 4, 6? I think the protection is in respect of 6. Now, why should we disclose even before they disclose to you? They disclosed these witnesses to you. So leave their names here.
My lord, the question is how one understand.
That's
If,
okay.
if all the witnesses at least, because he's saying in
So
paragraph
that
7,
question is okay, but leave the names. We ask the questions, but leave the names. Like, if are they all witnesses threatened? Yes, we get him answer that. But leave disclosing the witnesses until they come before court to testify.
my lord, we are trying to help court and also help the justice of this case to understand whether indeed they are witnesses who are at risk.
The witnesses, the names I'm saying, will be disclosed. Ask questions, but leave the names of intended witnesses.
If you had answered my earlier question, probably I wouldn't go this far. Because my lord, the question was
I'm waiting for the question.
most obliged, my lord. Are all the witnesses at risk?
yes, we are.
And you were not seeking to protect all the witnesses.
The degree of risk varies. For instance, the name you have just mentioned, you put that witness into jeopardy. And yet, you as a senior lawyer, you ought
Can you
to have
leave the name of witnesses?
mentioned it.
Answer the question.
Earlier on, when you are being cross-examined by my friend, here you said the alternative concealment methods. Yes? Are they there?
I don't know alternative to what, sir.
Alternative to concealment, protection methods.
There are various witness protection mechanisms, sir.
Can we list them?
We have
Besides the concealment of the particulars or reduction of that particular of the information regarding witnesses, other methods.
we have visual audio link, where the witness testifies via Zoom.
Yes.
We have camouflage or distortion of the appearance of the witness.
Those are the now.
we have another mechanism where the witness testifies from within court, but in some sort of a constructed, I've forgotten the name, some sort of a kiosk where they testify from.
Which one is that?
Like there's always a small kiosk-like structure that is placed in court with a mirror. The witness testifies from that kiosk. We also have voice distortion. Yes.
Those are within the precincts of court. But outside the court, are there measures you can take protective?
You can tell me.
I'm asking you, you're an expert.
Yes, there are some.
Like?
Placing witnesses in shelters. Placing witnesses in shelters.
That is one.
Physical protection. Like security assigns them bodyguards.
Yes?
Yes, I can also say that counseling the witnesses, that their security starts with them. So they should be cautious in whatever they do also. Sorry, in whatever they do, like mind where you eat, mind the time you move.
So besides concealment now, have you explored those other options?
They are not appropriate in the circumstances.
What? Why?
Sorry?
Why are they not appropriate?
You see, we are trying to safeguard them from intimidation, interference, retaliation, or reprisal. And the earlier they get to know them, the easier it is for them to be interfered with, intimidated, or harmed. So in the circumstances, the ones that are outside court, the mechanisms that are outside court cannot suffice.
And you are saying about 7 days to the hearing of the matter, where they are going to testify, you are able to do full disclosure. So there will be no threats at that time.
That is a short time.
It's a short time.
And also, my Lord, the 7 days are within 7 days. You the lawyers should or ought to have perused these statements and be in position to defend your clients appropriately.
Okay, let me take you to paragraph 5 of your, the last area of my cross-examination. Right? Paragraph 5 of the same affidavit in the journal. Paragraph 5.
Paragraph 5.
The affidavit in the journal for the first March.
Is it?
respect to the field.
Is it the one that in rejoinder to paragraphs 5, 6, and 3 of the respondent's affidavit?
Paragraph 5 is the one that can join or express.
Maybe my senior can confirm whether I'm reading from the right document.
Which one? Which one are you doing?
My Lord, I'm praying protection against Mr. Ampano. He's interfered. In rejoinder to paragraphs 5 and 6 of the third respondent's affidavit in reply, witness protection is a universal principle in criminal justice for both the prosecution and defense.
Again, let me start with your titles. Is it the principle with the LE or with the AL?
My Lord, it is supposed to be principle with the PE. Principle with PLE.
Would you wish to amend your affidavit?
Mr. LUKWAGO, it is.
Answer.
Let's proceed with the way it is.
Would you wish to amend it?
Let's proceed with the way it is.
I am helping you to correct
I
your
don't want you
mistakes
to help me.
So it is principle with the AL?
It doesn't matter. Yes, it is.
Oh. So, it is with the AL. So, you are saying indeed it's principle, I mean it's the principle law in criminal justice system that there must be witness protection.
For deserving cases like this one.
Yes?
For deserving cases like this one. And we say that witness protection is a universally accepted and practiced principle in criminal, at least in criminal law and procedure. And it is available for both the defense and prosecution.
And you said you not same paragraph, no, in paragraph 2. In paragraph 2 of the same affidavit. You were assigned to prosecute this case. Yes?
Yes.
When?
I can't recall exactly, but
You know the history of this case? You know the history of this case?
yes, I know the history.
When were you assigned this role?
I can't recall exactly, but it was last year.
Early, middle, late last year. Is it mid last year, early last year, late last year?
I think it was late last year.
I don't think. Be certain.
I am not certain.
You are not certain. So, you all along you knew this is a principle, universal
The universal principle.
practice.
Mm.
You were assigned a duty. When did you file this application?
When did you receive it?
When did you file this application?
My Lord, we signed it on the 29th of May 2025.
29th May. Are you sure? This application?
You see, my Lord,
This application?
I'm not the one who filed this application.
If you don't know, you say so.
I don't know because I'm not the
I
one.
can help you.
Yes.
We are in May now. It was filed in March. Yes? Now, all along, You, the principal prosecutor,
Anti nange bwentumiza eri
who's assigned the duty, chief prosecutor, as a chief prosecutor.
My Lord, I'm not the chief prosecutor of this case, of this case file.
Yes.
But that's what you're indicating here. When you assign this role, this file, and as one of the principal prosecutors in this matter.
Yes.
Up to March this year, your witnesses were safe.
They were not.
And it was not necessary to file an application to have them protected.
My Lord, the witness application is filed as and when
It
the,
was not necessary, this is what I'm asking. It was not necessary until March to file this application.
because that is when we were directed to disclose.
And they were safe
They are
until
not.
March.
They are not safe with those threats. They are not safe with their information littered within the public domain.
I am asking.
Yes.
They were safe until March.
Even now, they are not safe.
But they will be safe after testifying.
Of course, after they have testified,
They will be safe.
other mechanisms will be put in place.
After they have testified. Can't you put those same mechanisms in practice now?
No,
My Lord,
it's not possible.
I beg you.
So now can we say as I will ask the secretary to start.